Did you know the average millionaire has 7 streams of income? Not 1 or 2, 7. And that changed how I thought about money. Most people trade their time for one paycheck, which leaves them vulnerable. Wealthy people build systems that earn while they sleep. First, let's clear this up. Passive income isn't magic, it's front-loaded work or capital that keeps paying with minimal upkeep. Active income caps you by hours. Passive income can scale beyond your time. That scalability is what unlocks real financial freedom. Today we'll cover 5 beginner-friendly streams: dividends, digital products, affiliate marketing, rental income, and high-yield savings. Practical steps you can start this week. You don't need $1 million or a fancy degree, just a plan. Stick around. I'll give step-by-step actions and the risks for each. Quick, comment below which stream interests you most and I'll answer the top questions. Let's begin with one of the most accessible: dividend stocks and ETFs. If you're new to investing or content creation, these are built to be beginner-friendly. Follow the steps and pause the video to take action. Stream 1, get paid to own a slice of a company, dividend stocks and dividend ETFs. When companies earn extra profit, they sometimes pay shareholders a dividend, cash sent to you. You can buy single stocks, or easier, buy dividend ETFs, a basket of income-paying companies. Examples: SCHD, VYM, diversified exposure to top dividend payers. One buy gives you many companies. That spreads risk. Step 1, open a brokerage account. Fidelity, Schwab, Vanguard are solid options. Step 2, link your bank and fund it. You can start with as little as $50, $100. Step 3, search for a dividend ETF, enter amount and tap buy. Turn on dividend reinvestment, DRIP, to compound returns automatically. Risk: stock values and dividends can fall, you can lose principal. This is a long-term play. Patience pays. Think years, not weeks. Ready for the next stream? Stream 2, create once, sell forever. Digital products like ebooks, templates, and short courses. Examples: a $15 budgeting kit, Canva templates, Lightroom presets, or a short how-to course. Step 1, brainstorm 3 things people ask you to help with. Step 2, choose a minimal format, PDF guide, checklist, or template. Step 3, build it in Canva or Google Docs and upload to Gumroad or Etsy. Price example: $15, low friction for buyers and scalable for you. Platform handles payment and delivery. You get notification and money automatically. Marketing is the hard part. Share on social, write a quick blog post, and post in relevant communities. Risk: creating something nobody buys. Test first with a survey or landing page. Start small, iterate from feedback, and promote consistently. Next, a low-cost option that pairs well with content creation: affiliate marketing. Stream 3, recommend products you love and earn a commission. That's affiliate marketing. No product creation, no inventory, no shipping. Step 1, choose a niche you care about: coffee gear, travel, gaming, gardening. Step 2, build helpful content: blogs, YouTube reviews, or short-form videos. Step 3, apply to affiliate programs: Amazon associates or direct brand partners. Trust matters. Recommend only products you use. Don't spam links for quick cash. It takes time to build an audience. Be consistent. Tip: pair affiliate links with an evergreen blog or YouTube best of video for long-term sales. If you're getting value, hit like and subscribe. More step-by-step guides are coming. Next up, the classic path: rental income and modern alternatives like REITs and peer-to-peer platforms. Stream 4, rental income. Buy property and rent it out to generate monthly cash flow. Rent covers mortgage, taxes, insurance. What's left is passive cash flow. If you lack capital, buy REITs, publicly traded real estate portfolios that pay dividends. Or rent what you already own. Spare room on Airbnb, your car on Turo, or storage on Neighbor.com. These platforms lower the barrier. Your asset becomes an income stream. Risk: physical property requires management, repairs, tenant issues, and vacancies. REITs carry market volatility like stocks. Diversify and consider dividend history. First step: research top REITs or download Airbnb, Turo, and explore listings in your area. You can dip a toe with peer-to-peer renting before committing to property ownership. Next, the simplest and safest stream to start: high-yield savings and CDs. Stream 5, the easiest, safest way to earn passive income: high-yield savings and CDs. Unlike a 0.01% bank account, online HISA rates can be 4 to 6% or higher. Big difference. Example: $10,000 at 5% earns $500 a year versus nearly nothing in a regular account. Perfect for emergency funds or short-term goals. Easy to set up and FDIC insured up to $250K. Certificates of deposit lock money for a term in exchange for a fixed rate. Less liquid. Step 1. Search best high-yield savings on NerdWallet or Bankrate. Step 2. Pick a bank, fill the online form. Ally, Marcus, Capital One, 360 are examples. Step 3. Link your checking account and transfer funds. Takes minutes. Caveat. Rates change with Fed policy. Returns can fall when rates drop. This is cash management, not growth. Include it in a balanced portfolio for stability. Now that you know the 5 streams, let's pick one and take action this week. Recap: 1. Dividend stocks and ETFs. 2. Digital products courses. 3. Affiliate marketing. 4. Rental income, REITs. 5. High-yield savings and CDs. Don't do all 5 at once. Pick one that fits your time and capital. If you have savings, open a brokerage and buy a dividend ETF. Low cash but creative? Outline an ebook this weekend. Want to promote products? Start a niche Instagram or YouTube channel. Curious about rentals? Research top REITs or download Airbnb at Turo. Need safety? Open a high-yield savings account and move $100. Your challenge? Commit to one tangible action before Sunday. Put it on your calendar now. Micro-action examples: open a brokerage, 15 minutes. Create a 3-section ebook outline, 30 minutes. Post your first affiliate review or claim a domain name, 20 minutes. List one item on a rental platform, 30 minutes. Open HISA and transfer $100, 10 minutes. Think snowball. Start small, be consistent, then roll into more streams. Momentum compounds. Expect slow, early results. Persistence beats perfection. Keep a monthly checklist and iterate. Quick disclaimers. Investing involves risk. Past performance isn't a guarantee. Consult a licensed advisor for personalized advice. TriSay accounts are FDIC insured up to $250,000. CDs lock funds for terms. Check account terms before you move money. Tell me in the comments which path you picked. I'll answer the top questions. If this helped, hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Next video. I'll walk through opening a brokerage and buying your first dividend ETF, step by step. Use this title for your upload. Title: 5 passive income streams you can start this week. Beginner friendly. Make money while you sleep. Description: copy paste. Want reliable, beginner friendly ways to earn passive income? In this video, I explain 5 realistic streams you can start this week. Dividend stocks and ETFs, digital products, affiliate marketing, rental income and REITs, and high-yield savings and CDs. Timestamps: 0 o'clock, hook and why it matters. 1:30 what is passive income. 3 o'clock dividend stocks and ETFs. 4:10 digital products. 5:20 affiliate marketing. 6:30 rental income. 7:40 high-yield savings. 8:30 action plan. Links: brokerage sign-up, Gumroad tutorial, affiliate program resources, HYSA comparison. Disclaimer: not financial advice. Consult a licensed pro for personal guidance. Do one thing now. Open that tab, add the calendar event, or write your product title. Action beats information every time. I'm rooting for you. See you in the comments, and I'll make the next guide to walk you through your first transaction.